Okay, today we're going to be looking at a site called Cortaly Cash, and we're going to be running through exactly how you can go and earn points, which in turn you can then turn into PayPal cash. And you can do this in various different ways. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this video. We're going to run through it right now. Okay, so we come on to the cortalycash.com, and as you can see here, it says on the homepage, earn points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. This is a totally brand new site. It's definitely worth checking this one out, seeing how well it is and how it compares with some of the other survey sites and that are out there. This hasn't been going that long, and as you can see here, we've only got a few users online, 221 users currently online, so they haven't got that many participants. So some of the surveys and things like that are going to be great because you're going to be able to get more options and be able to do and get the points quicker, where a lot of surveys sites, you go on there and they've already done their quota of surveys, or you're not eligible, that sort of thing. So you're not going to have that so much with this one because there's less people actually taking up the surveys. Now, and also what you got, you can obviously get surveys here, so you get paid for your opinion. You can also do the offer walls as well, and you can start watching videos for very quick and easy points. Now, how does it work? Obviously, you do the task, you get earn the points, and then you get paid. And 1,000 points is worth $1. So, and they're teamed up with the various different sites here. You've got some of the high-paying survey sites, which you've got here, Polefish, BitLabs, CPX, that sort of thing. Offer walls, you've got Lootably here, and AdGem, and as you can see, plenty more here as well. Obviously, you've got your favorite cash out options as well. So they do obviously PayPal. They've got Payeer here as well. They've also got a Bitcoin option, and they've got loads of cash cards you can actually do as well, such as the Roblox and Fortnite, that sort of thing. So let's dive into the back end of it and then show you exactly how it is inside the actual site. So very easy to go and join Cortaly. So if you come up to the top here, you just click on the register button here. As you can see, very simple. You just fill in your general information here with your full name, email address, confirm the email, you've got a username, password, and confirm the password. Hit that obviously you're not a robot and agree to the terms and conditions, and then just click register. It's as simple as that. So it takes literally a couple of minutes to go and join, and then once you have, all you've got to do then is just go and log in when you come to the front page. Okay, so as you can see here, I've got a current balance of 270 points, and all you got to do from here, you just literally go on to the Earn tab here. This will then give you different options where you can actually go and earn. So you've either got the surveys, you've got offer walls, quick points, or referrals. So you can refer a friend as well. So the first one would be surveys. So if you just click on surveys here, and you just click on the particular site you actually want to go and check out for their surveys. Now, as you can see here, there are a few survey results. If you get these sort of the screen out, means you obviously your criteria, you don't meet the criteria. The quota is full. That means that the number of respondents have been reached. You've been declined, so it was rejected for some reason, and not available. It means there are no suitable surveys available for you at this time. So you just click on the daily surveys opportunity listed above and visit the external survey sites. Okay, you complete the survey and then obviously you get paid. Your get paid to account, okay, which sits on your dashboard here. So if you didn't want to do surveys, you could quite easily go and do some offer walls as well, and this will just does the same. You go back to earn and you go to the offer walls tab. And as you can see, you just click on the offer wall that you are looking to do. Lootably is very, very quick and easy to do. All you have to do is just go and watch some YouTube videos, and that is very easy to go and do. You could do that in just a few minutes. Now, of course, once you've got some points and you want to actually transfer them and cash out, just click on the cash out tab here. As you can see here, you do not have enough required points to be able to redeem. It must be in your account at least 2,000 points. So you've got to get to $2 before you can actually withdraw. So once you've done that, once you've hit the 2,000 points, then you can go and just withdraw very easily indeed. So that shouldn't take you that long. So as you can see, it's very similar to the other survey sites that I've done, and I've done plenty of those. Looks a genuine site. It's all looks very, very similar to what these paid to sites look like. So go and check it out and see how you get on with it. And obviously drop us a note in the comments below here and say whether you've actually tried it out or not. I'm going to go and check it out, get up to the 2,000 points, and probably check out their cash out procedure and make sure you can get your money out, no problem. So make sure you stay tuned to this channel, because I should be doing an updated video on that shortly. Okay, so don't forget to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below here, so you haven't even got to go and find a link. Just click on that link and that will take you through so you can go and sign up for your free account. Okay, make sure you smash up the like button if you found that useful. Also, make sure that you check out these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. I will see you on the next video.